The journey of chocolate begins with the humble cocoa bean, arriving from distant lands to the heart of the factory. Raw cocoa beans undergo meticulous cleaning, ensuring only the purest ingredients proceed to the next stage. Inside massive roasting drums, the beans develop their distinctive flavor, essential for the chocolate's aroma. After roasting, the beans are carefully cooled, a crucial step to halt the process and preserve their developed taste. A specialized machine then cracks the beans, efficiently separating the outer shell from the valuable cocoa nibs. These dark, fragmented cocoa nibs are the true essence of chocolate, ready for transformation. Through a precise winnowing process, air currents separate the lightweight husks from the denser, flavorful nibs. Powerful melangers grind the cocoa nibs, slowly transforming them into a thick, molten cocoa liquor. This flowing cocoa liquor is the pure, unsweetened foundation of all chocolate. Under immense pressure, hydraulic presses extract golden cocoa butter from the cocoa liquor, leaving a solid cake. The remaining cocoa solids form a dense, dry cocoa cake, rich in flavor. This cocoa cake is then meticulously broken down, preparing it for further refinement. Pulverizing mills transform the cocoa cake into a fine, aromatic cocoa powder. The delicate cocoa powder is then sifted, ensuring a uniform and smooth consistency. Precision scales measure exact amounts of granulated sugar and milk powder, vital for the final flavor profile. Aromatic vanilla extract is carefully introduced, adding a layer of subtle complexity to the evolving mix. Dry ingredients begin their initial blend, a crucial step before the full chocolate mass forms. The blended ingredients enter the conching machine, where hours of intense mixing begin. Inside the conch, powerful rollers refine the chocolate mass, reducing particle size for ultimate smoothness. A smooth river of chocolate mass now flows, indicating the thorough blending and refining taking place. The conch continuously agitates the chocolate, thoroughly mixing and aerating it to develop deep flavors. Heating and aerating within the conch remove unwanted volatile acids, enhancing the chocolate's rich taste. Finally, the perfectly conked chocolate mass is transferred, ready for its crystalline transformation. The molten chocolate enters the tempering machine, undergoing precise heating and cooling cycles. Within the temperer, chocolate flows over cooling plates, initiating the formation of stable cocoa butter crystals. The chocolate moves through a cooling zone, setting its structure and giving it that signature snap. Automated nozzles swiftly dispense the perfectly tempered chocolate into rows of waiting molds. Vibrating tables gently shake the molds, releasing any trapped air bubbles for a flawless finish. Filled molds steadily advance into a cooling tunnel, solidifying the chocolate into its final bar shape. Emerging from the cooling tunnel, the chocolate bars are now solid and ready for release. At the demolding station, solid chocolate bars are precisely ejected from their molds onto a conveyor. Robotic arms delicately handle each pristine chocolate bar, preparing it for packaging. A high-speed feeder unspools the wrapper material, ready to encase the finished product. The chocolate bar is swiftly wrapped, sealed with precision and efficiency. A second layer of metallic foil is often applied, adding an elegant touch and further protection. Finally, the wrapped bars pass through a labeling machine, completing their journey. Automated systems meticulously stack the finished, packaged chocolate bars into boxes. Full boxes are then palletized by robots, efficiently preparing them for distribution. A final visual inspection ensures every chocolate bar meets the highest standards of quality. From a simple bean to a gleaming bar, the journey of chocolate is a testament to industrial artistry and precision.